on the track, yeah.
I picture us rolling in a road, yeah. Pull the curtains back, go kosher. Make me feel some type of way. Got me changing all my playaways, ayy, yeah. Every time you slide through, go crazy. You give me.
Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, what's up? My name is Kat. So today's video, I will be doing a hair review and a hair installation from a hair company named Asteria Hair. I think that's what it's called, Asteria. Correct me if I'm wrong. They sent me their DeepWave long hair wig that is 26 inch and 250 density. Y'all, this wig is so gorgeous and it's so soft. Like I'm never gonna want to get rid of this wig. Thank you Asteria Hair for sending me this hair. I really do appreciate it. I'm not gonna really talk or ramble a lot. I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what my friend did with this installation. She will actually have a detailed video posted on her channel, so I will link her video under my video whenever she has it up. So yeah, if you want to just see the vibes and stuff like that, and see how she came about installing this wig, you could watch my video. So I forgot to mention, this is the 13x4 lace frontal wig, and the lace color is brown. I know transparent lace is very high in demand right now, but this company did not have that in stock, and I asked them, but they didn't have it in stock. So they were able to send me the brown lace, which I was still happy with my results because I am brown. So yeah, if you guys are if you're my skin color and darker, then I would suggest you to get the brown lace. And if you're lighter, way lighter, then I would suggest you to get the transparent lace, if it's ever gonna be on stock. So there's a few clips here where I was blow drying my hair and stuff like that, because my hairstylist do have a newborn baby, and her son was literally crying in the middle of her installing my hair, so I had to kind of help her blow dry the hair and everything. So you'll see that throughout the clip, and as well as when she was cutting the lace, the video clip ended up being very blurry, y'all. It was blurry because we had to film with her phone because my camera died, and when she sent me the footage, it was blurry. So, and I know it could get very annoying, but I just wanted to put that in the video so you guys could possibly try to kind of get a glimpse of what she was doing and everything. But again, if you guys don't understand, I get it. I apologize about that. Again, y'all, I think that's pretty much all I gotta say. If you guys want a detailed video, this is not the video. It's not the video. I already said my friend is going to give you guys a detailed video on her channel, because she's trying to upload some videos on her channel. She's a new YouTuber, so yeah, she'll give you guys further details of what she used and why she's doing that and blah 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 blah. Other than that, I am done talking, and yeah, that's really it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, on my social media platforms. Stay connected with me, and bye y'all. I'm so sorry. I already know I said that I was gonna go, but I do want to just give y'all a little side note. So I know throughout this whole video my makeup looked weird, extra weird, and I'm gonna explain why it looks like that. Because when I was applying my makeup, I had to leave most of my forehead and not apply makeup so that she would be able to install this wig without having to like remove my makeup. I thought that was just a waste of time. So there's a lot of line demarcation because of that. And what else? Yeah, and plus she was spraying a lot of stuff like hairspray, and it was just like falling all over my face, and it had a lot of dry patches. Y'all see it, don't even lie. I know y'all was like, girl, why is you a makeup artist, your makeup look like that? But yeah, that's really the reason. I just want to put that out, you know, just in case y'all crack on me. I already told y'all, period. But anyways, I'm done for real. Bye, y'all.